Hello everyone, this is Rashmi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Recently I asked you one question in my community post that what is the worst quality that people always tell you that you should change, otherwise your future is doomed. Well, this video is about that how your worst quality makes you unique and the best. So let's begin the video. Well, you will always find people in your life, mostly relatives, but also some people who hates you, that they will point out your mistakes, that you are bad in that, you keep doing this, you don't change that. Well, I will give you one very easy example. Kids who play video games so much, people will always tell them that why do you play so much video game? If you keep doing this, your future is not going to be bright. You should study, you should focus on your studies and blah blah blah. They are right at some place, but they are missing something, and you are the one who has to find that out. My point is that if you will see those kids who plays video game with so much passion, you will see that they have that ability to concentrate on single topic so much. Just think, that kid knows that he has those qualities. That means if he focuses on something else in future, he is going to be great in that. There is a thing that we always, when we hear something bad about us, our tendency is like, okay, whatever, they just hate me, that's why they are telling me like that. Or we just like, some people feel so offended and they cry or they fight, who the weakest people actually fight, and some of them just weep in their corner. But what I feel, that you should actually pick out the things what they're saying and use it constructively. Like in my case, many people used to say that I'm really stubborn, I overthink. When I was giving AIMS ka exam again after getting medical college, people used to tell me that you are just obsessed about AIMS and you are just ruining your future, you are just wasting your year. And those people only, who used to comment on me that I am a overthinker, I am obsessed with things, I am stubborn. One day one of them called me and told me, beta, never lose this quality, always be stubborn. Can you think what made them change their thought? It was the success. So there is a thing that if people tells you that you have this quality and you should change, you should just listen to them as a neutral comment. Okay, don't feel offended, don't cry, don't answer back. Okay, just listen to them, think about it, what they want to tell you, and use it in a constructive way. Think about that, okay, you have a bad quality, means something is enhanced in a bad manner, you can turn it into a good way. You just have to think that how you can turn it in a good way. That you should accept their comment in a neutral way. That means you are not feeling so good about yourself and you're not feeling so low about yourself. You're just taking that comment and putting it in a right manner. That okay, maybe I overthink something. Okay, so you have a quality of thinking on one topic so focused and so dense that you can actually, so that means you have that ability to think about one topic, for so long, to be so focused on one thing. Use that quality in like preparing for NEET or something, like you have that ability to think about one topic. So if you're thinking about NEET so much, if that means you are finding the ways to solve that issue, you can find a way to compete your NEET, you find a way to improve yourself. So always, whenever somebody is commenting on you that you are worst in that, always take that comment as neutral, and then think about it, what you can pick out as a positive thing and build it into something bigger. I hope this video was useful to you. I'll see you in my birthday vlog now. Okay, till then, bye bye and take care.